Now, the defense argues that the continuance is absolutely essential to protect BryanKohberger's constitutional rights and to ensure a fair trial. First, necessity for effective assistance of counsel. The defense asserts that denying a continuance risks reversible error by compromising Kohberger's Sixth Amendment right to effective assistance of counsel. They're saying that they need to do their thorough mitigation investigation required in capital cases under Strickland v. Washington and Wiggins v. Smith, and that remains incomplete due to newly identified investigative needs, i.e. the alternate suspect, which should be heard today, and we'll see hopefully how the judge is going to rule on that as well. Anyway, prior compliance with the court's scheduling order doesn't negate the need for additional time to meet the constitutional standards. As you may recall, the prosecution said, hey, they were always able to get ready for everything else in this case, and now they're not ready for trial. We don't buy it. Anyway, then they say, hey, we need more time because we're actually ahead of schedule. The defense refutes the state's claim that the case's 2.5-year duration is sufficient, noting that the federal capital cases average 3.55 years from indictment to trial. The defense cites high-profile cases like the Nicholas Cruz case, often take much longer, and the defense seeks a reasonable adjustment, not an indefinite delay, to complete essential tasks. And they say, hey, this case is complex with all these media challenges. So the Kohberger case obviously is extraordinarily complex due to the reluctant witnesses, difficulty securing experts, pervasive media coverage, and logistical barriers in multi-jurisdictional investigation.